Hey everyone, and welcome to my review of the Makita 18V LXT lithium cordless impact driver. I purchased this item because I needed a reliable tool for various DIY projects around the house and even at work. Over the past year, this impact driver has been my go-to for small or large tasks like assembly furniture, driving screws in tough materials, and even light automatic work. The Makita impact driver features a powerful 4-pole motor with an innovative 4-brush design that delivers increased RPM without sacrificing torque. With variable speed settings ranging from 0 to 2,900 RPM and 0 to 3,000 impacts per minute RPM, it's perfect for a wide range of fastening applications. It boasts a lot of torque, providing the strength needed for those demanding tasks. Additionally, this impact driver is built tough with an all-metal gear housing, ensuring durability on various job sites. Despite its power, it remains compact, measuring only 5 to 3/8 inches long and weighing just 2.8 pounds, which reduces operator fatigue during extended usages. The convenient one-touch hex chuck allows for quick and easy bit changes. My experience with the Makita has been exceptional. Its compact size, lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver in very tight spaces, while the built-in LED light, as I can just demonstrate here, is super handy as well. And it's also got a clip on the side that you can clip onto your belt. So whether you're a DIY enthusiast tackling home projects or a professional needing reliable performance, this impact driver delivers on all fronts. In conclusion, I highly recommend the Makita for anyone looking for a versatile, durable and powerful impact driver. It's a tool that has earned its place in my toolkit and continues to impress with every use. You just can't go wrong with Makita tools.